Hello everyone on my YouTube channel. As you know, crypto arbitrage is a trend of 2022 and 2023. This video can be called a guide, an example of how you can make money on crypto arbitrage. Please watch this video until the end to fully understand the strategy. Today I will show you a crypto arbitrage strategy between two crypto exchanges. You will be able to make profit using Bitcoin, Ethereum or Litecoin. We will work with Binance and Hasba crypto exchanges. Instead of Binance, you can use any other crypto exchange such as Bybit, Coinbase or Kraken. I carefully checked the Hasba crypto exchange, found their Telegram channel and found their official Twitter account. Therefore, I decided I could trust the exchange and decided to test the strategy by making a deposit. Before we start, take a look at the Bitcoin exchange rate on Binance. I will show you the example of 0.15 Bitcoin. On Binance, that costs $2,525. Just as I said earlier, you can also use Ethereum or Litecoin for this strategy. So the rate for these coins is also higher than on other exchanges. Now let's switch to Hasba and see how much we can earn. And as you can see, the Bitcoin rate on Hasba is 11% more than on Binance. So our profit will be 11%. Let's check it out. To begin with, our test to transfer Bitcoin from the Binance wallet to the Hasba wallet in order to sell it on a higher rate in the future. As you can see from the transaction history that I'm actively testing this strategy, and only after a few tests I decided to record a video. As soon as Bitcoin have arrived, we sell them for USDT on Hasba, and we can immediately see our profit. We reserved 2,796 USDT for the sale, therefore our profit was $271 for one circle of the strategy. Now all we have to do is withdraw our USDT back to Binance, buy Bitcoin again at a low rate and sell again on Hasba. This can be done several times a day. USDT has successfully arrived on our Binance wallet, and let's summarize. We bought 0.15 Bitcoin on Binance for $2,525 and sold on Hasba for $2,796. Our profit for the spent 50 minutes and one such trade was $271. If we make such 4 trades, then in an hour, this is possible to earn almost $1,000. I recommend testing with 200 or 300 to understand how the strategy works before making a large deposit. That's all, the video has come to the end. You will find all necessary links in the description. I wish you all profit, see you in the next video, bye bye.